Okay, this is how we perform a basic calculation using Bubble.io. So as you can see here, I've just got a standard group, which is type of content is set to a number. Simple as that. Text, 2 input fields for the calculation, and a button. So all we need to do here is press on the button, add a workflow. We're going to add a custom event here. So we're going to go custom, create a custom event. We're going to call this calculator. Now the parameters we need here is number 1, type number. Number 2, also of type number. And all that is there is, if I go back to the design, input 1, input 2. So number 1, number 2. Okay, back into the workflow as we go. Return value is going to be the calculation, which is going to be of type number. Okay, then all we have to do here is on the calculator itself, we need to return data. So return data, and it's going to be number 1's value, so times number 2. Simple as that there. And then we can go into button run here. We can add a workflow. That's going to be to trigger a custom event. Custom event is going to be calculator, the only event we have. Number 1 is going to be input 1's value. Input 2's value. As I showed before, that's input 1, that's input 2. Back into the workflow we go. Then we need to display data in a group / pop-up. So where are we displaying this data to? And that is going to be in group number. Data to display is the result of step 1's trigger calculator. Trigger calculator's calculation, which was the second parameter we added. So back into the home page we go. Preview very quickly. And then we can go random, and we'll show the number there. That is basically how you perform a calculation in Bubble, the easiest and simplest way. Subscribe, like. Thank you.